Welcome back, traders. Are you ready to step into the ring and witness the epic showdown between two titans of the prop trading world? Trade the Pool and UProfit? Today, we're diving deep into the intricacies of each firm, comparing everything from profit splits to funding criteria. By the end of this video, you'll have the insights you need to choose the firm that aligns with your trading goals. So stick around and let's get started. First up, let's break down the program structures of Trade the Pool and UProfit. Understanding these details is crucial for making an informed decision. Trade the Pool offers an 80% profit split for traders, with 20% going to the firm. Fees start from just $100 a month, and the max balance can go up to $260,000. On the other hand, UProfit has a 70% profit split for traders and 30% for the firm. Their fees start at $50 a month, and they offer larger accounts up to $2 million. The takeaway here is that Trade the Pool offers a more favorable profit split for traders, while UProfit provides larger account sizes. Now let's look at the founding years of these firms. This can tell us a lot about their experience and stability. Trade the Pool was founded in New York, established with $1 million in capital. UProfit was founded in London, starting with $500,000. The takeaway is that Trade the Pool has a head start in terms of capital, but UProfit brings valuable international experience to the table. Next, let's examine their cryptocurrency trading offerings, which can be crucial for those looking to tap into this volatile market. Trade the Pool offers pairs like BTC/USD, ETH/USD, and LTC/USD, with advanced algorithms for risk management. UProfit provides pairs such as BTC/USD, ETH/USD, XRP/USD, and more, focusing on technical analysis and market trends. The takeaway is that while both firms offer crypto trading, UProfit covers more pairs, making it appealing for those looking to diversify. User satisfaction is key, so let's compare their Trustpilot ratings. Trade the Pool has a rating of 4 stars from 256 reviews, while UProfit has 3 stars from 189 reviews. The takeaway is that Trade the Pool enjoys higher ratings and more reviews, which suggests a stronger reputation among traders. Now let's talk about the platforms. A trader's choice of platform can greatly influence their success. Trade the Pool offers high customization and fast execution speed. UProfit has medium customization and average execution speed. The takeaway is that if you value customization and speed, Trade the Pool might be the better option for you. Trading hours can impact your strategy. Let's see how these two firms stack up. Trade the Pool offers 24/5 round-the-clock trading, while UProfit has limited weekday hours and no trading on weekends. The takeaway is that Trade the Pool offers greater flexibility, which is perfect for those with busy schedules. So, there you have it. We've compared key aspects of Trade the Pool and UProfit, from profit splits to trading hours. Both firms have their strengths, but the right choice ultimately depends on your trading style and goals. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more trading insights. What are your thoughts on Trade the Pool and UProfit? Drop your comments below. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll explore more trading strategies to help you maximize your profits. Until then, happy trading!